For your next drinks with friends, this is a fantastic little appetizer. I'm going to make a baked feta and serve it with manuka honey. So just an earthenware dish, you want to make sure that you use one that can go into the oven at 200 degrees. We're going to sprinkle it with a little oregano, so giving it a bit of a Greek feel here. Some good quality extra virgin olive oil, a drizzle over the top. No salt required because the cheese is salty enough, and this cooks for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it's slightly caramelized and soft. Okay, the feta is cooked. It looks like it's not because it's staying in its shape, but it's so soft in the center and it's crispy on the outside. So good, but it's going to be even better with a squeeze of lemon. So you want that punch of acidity, lemon over the top, and a generous spoonful of manuka honey. I like to have a hot spoon on standby. This will just make it much easier to drizzle over the top. Wow, look at that. Coat the top of that and it'll start to melt. And really leave the manuka to the last minute. Don't cook the honey in the oven. You want to keep all its gorgeous characteristics. Finally, some extra oregano on the top. That is so delicious. Some bread on the side, serve it with some warm olives, and this is a surefire way to whet your appetite. Gonna dig in. Manuka honey, that feta, nice and warm. So good.